Hello everybody, this is Baljit from JK. Welcome on my channel. In this video we are going to replace front brake pads at 2012 Nissan Altima 2.5S. As you can see, I have all the parts and all the tools are ready. I have a brake pads. I have 4 of those, 2 for each side. 2 for the driving side, 2 for the passenger side. They all are new. I got from AutoZone, brand Duralast and the lifetime warranty. Before you do anything, first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna lock the back wheels just by hand brakes, or in this model I have a pedal. I will press pedal, and you can always have some wood blocks behind the tires, so when you raise your jack, car doesn't move or it doesn't fall from the jack. So first I'm gonna do some hand loose all the lugs, then I will raise my jack. Once I have one turn to all the lugs, now I'm raising my jack and my tire will be come off. I'm using a 13-16 millimeter and my tires are off. Now we are access to the brakes. I'm using a 14 millimeter to take the plunge from the pads. There's only 2 bolts to come off, and your plunge from the pads will be off. Now you are able to remove old pads. If you look at, those are really thin now. They're gone compared with the new one. New one is really thick. Here one thing I'm gonna show, like I'm using one of the trick, or maybe most of people doing the same thing, but I'm thinking if nobody know, maybe this one need to know. It'll make job really easy. So once you install new pads, what's gonna happen, your new pads are really thicker than old one, and your plunge not gonna fit inside because they have not enough gap to go on it. So let's put both pads and then you will know what I'm talking about. Over here, as you can see, my plunge assembly doesn't fit on it because it doesn't have enough gap. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use old pad and C-clamp to push the plunge in. It will be quick. You don't need to go hassle through like removing the pressure or something like that and make mess. You're gonna have a oil all over your driveway. So now here we go, it fit easily. So now we're gonna put those 2 bolts back, and this brake pads are done, and we replaced one side, the driving side, and the next will be the passenger side. The process will be same, but I will have a fast forward video for the other side. If you're using impact to tighten the bolts after you remove jack, give a hand turn, tight with the hand. And I will recommend after you change brake, even you tight with the hand. After a couple of mileage, you make sure back again any lugs not get loose.